What's up, guys? Crazy Black 108 here, and I'm back with another video. And today, guys, we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing an unboxing of The Office, the complete series on Blu-ray. Some of you may be asking, why am I, doing unboxings of DVD box sets or Blu-ray box sets on my channel now? Aren't you doing shoes? Aren't you the Star Wars guy? Aren't you the anime guy? Yeah, I'm known as a handful of things to many people. Mostly shoe guy, mostly D-Rose guy, but I'm really trying to branch out into the content stuff I'm doing on this channel again, just because you gotta read the writing on the wall sometimes, y'all. But with that being said, let's go into this unboxing. So this is a complete box that you can get right now off of Amazon.com. At least that's where my girlfriend had got it for me as a birthday gift, so thank you to you. This unboxing right here is going to just show you guys what's all inside here and how this is all packaged up and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and tear this open. So something to note here on this box says that down here on the bottom you do have a list of information about bonus features included, and along with a whole bunch of other slew of things. Some of these things that are included on here, as you guys can see, are you got all 9 seasons of the show. You got bonus features that includes hundreds of deleted scenes, extended episodes, episode commentaries, blooper reels, The Office webisodes, fake PSAs, Steve on Steve. There's one called Rabies, The More You Know, The Office Convention, Writer's Block, Michael Scott's Dunder Mifflin ad, The Office promos, Academy of Television Arts and Science presents The Office, Dwight Schrute music video, Welcome to a Saber Company video, original digital short uncensored version, original cast audition tapes, final table read, cast Pharrell's, and much, much more. So all those features of things on here, are all featured across the different DVDs or Blu-ray cases inside this set. What's cool is that you do have different art around the whole box. As you'll see, you have a whole slew of characters from the entire show. For anyone that's been wanting to watch the show since it was taken off of Netflix, you can of course stream it, but I don't believe in streaming. That's not true. I do believe in streaming, but I also like to have certain things so that when they're gone, I have them. I like to collect physical media. Something you also notice is that across these cases here on the spines, the person that's featured here is always the manager for that season. So for season 8, you have Andy, and season 9, you have Dwight. And so yeah, it's just kind of a little neat side thing to note with the packaging on here. Well, let's go in here and let's take out each of these individual cases and take a look at how they look. So the first one we have here is The Office Season 1. This looks like it's pretty much a replica in terms of the box art that's on the Season 1 DVD. You got on the back, bonus features, episode commentary, all that good stuff. And when you open it up here on the inside, you have some nice DVD art there, or Blu-ray art there. And then this list of the episodes there behind, along with a list of different bonus features being deleted scenes and episode commentaries. So that's pretty cool. I was halfway expecting that some of these Blu-rays in here to not have anything else done special in terms of these discs. I just was thinking they may just be plain Blu-ray discs, but they went a little bit of an extra mile, so that's kind of cool. So we'll set that there as we go through the items here. So now we got season 2. So that's also the same disc art from the DVD. If you look here on the back as well, you have bonus features, deleted scenes, blooper reel, episode commentaries for episodes, the fake PSA, Steve on Steve, and much more. Something I do notice on here that I'm not like super fond of, but I mean it's to be expected, as you can kind of see here. If I'll bring it closer and we'll see we can focus on it for you guys. You can kind of see there's some marks along the Blu-ray packaging up top, but that's what happens when you don't put any protective tape there or any sort of wrapping, and they kind of shift around in the box, because the box isn't, this is really nothing but like a cardboard box right here. Nothing too special about that, but it gets the job done. But when there's room for those sets to move in there, of course, then that's kind of what's going to happen. So season 2 split across, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 Blu-ray discs, which is cool. All these have the art here in the back, has the different episodes that are on each disc, which is cool. And then the discs themselves, again, have the nice disc art, but then this color is red to match the the red on the front of the box. So that's cool. So there's season 2. Now let's take a look here at season 3. So season 3 of The Office, I think it's the same cover art as what you had on the DVD release. On the back you have a list of all the bonus features and deleted scenes. So on this one, let's see what we got here. We're looking at deleted scenes, episode commentaries, excerpts from the 2006 NBC primetime preview hosted by The Office cast, Toby wraparounds, the Right True music video, Josh Whedon interview. Ooh, that's that might not be what anybody wants right now. Videos from The Office, make your own promo contest, blooper reel, lazy Scranton video, excerpt from the 58 Emmys, and much more. So that's pretty cool. You have details about how this season was received. And if we go inside, so this disc art, pretty much the same as it says season 3 on it. You got 2, 4 discs in here as well, and all of the different, and each, again, same as on the other cases. So that's pretty much part of the course, as you can see in here. And we look in terms of color wise, it's gonna kind of keep going back and forth between white and red, I think, for each of these sets. So here's season 4. On the back, you have bonus features of deleted scenes, the rabies thing, the episode commentaries, blooper reel, office convention block, summer vacation promo, and much more. So another thing in here, again, you got red disc in here as well too, but there is 4 discs in here as well. Looks like there's less episodes per disc, but I think it's because some of these episodes were longer episodes, if I remember correctly, during season 4. It's been a while since I watched this whole show all the way through, since I think it was like 2016 that I watched the show all the way through. So here's season 5. I believe season 5 may have been the first season to actually be released on Blu Ray as a separate set, compared to, the only way you can get seasons 1 through 4 on Blu Ray, I think, are through this box set here, which is kind of cool. I am going to laugh at the fact that they could bring out like a 4K box set, though, sometime in the near future, but there you go. Deleted scenes, episode commentaries, gag reel, 100 episodes, 100 moments, Academy of Television Arts and Sciences presents The Office, Office promos, and then webisodes are all featured in this set here. I'm assuming the outside of this box here is blue, so I'm assuming we open this up, we're going to see, blue on the disc in season 5. And yeah, 4 discs. Everything seems to, there are a nice thing too I like about doing these type of videos, or at least, when looking at these different boxes, is seeing how your luck goes in terms of getting a box set that doesn't have damaged cases and discs in there. So far, so good. So we got season 6 here. You have a blooper reel, 2 hours of deleted scenes, welcome to Saber Company video and more. It includes original digital short, uncensored version of Gabe tries to impress corporate by recording a late night style talk show. Interesting. So that's kind of neat and cool. So there's that. Season 6. And then if I go and take this, we're red again on the inside for the disc. 4 discs across the episodes. Cool. So that's very, very nice. So now we're on to season 7, the final one, with Michael as the manager. You got season 7 right there. You turn this around. You got a blooper reel, over hundreds of minutes of deleted scenes, extended episodes, episode commentary, and more. Plus threat level Midnight, the movie, a Michael Scott joint. Some people don't really like The Office a lot. Some people don't find it very funny. I find it funny. I had an enjoyable time. I can't complain at all. Again, we have 4 discs in here as well. So that's pretty neat, pretty cool. So yeah, season 7, greatness. And now we're on to the final 2 seasons of the show. I'm pulling these both out just because I want to have them keep on sliding and hidden stuff inside there. But here's season 8. You got over 100 minutes of deleted scenes, producers extended cut episodes, blooper reel episodes, and the Office promos. I almost said the official promos. That shows that you are not reading, actually. This one has 5 discs in here. That's one more. I don't realize how many episodes, I guess, from those final couple seasons. But yeah, so you have 5 discs in here for it. So that's very, very nice, very cool, very cool. Duly noted. So there's season 8. And then season 9, the farewell season. You have original audition tapes, over 2 hours of deleted scenes, final table read, blooper reel, look back, behind the scenes panel discussion, and more. So that's neat. You open that up, and we're back to just 4 discs in this set. And there's your final season of The Office on Blu-ray. So, there's 9 seasons all stacked up and Blu-ray box set greatness, Gotta love when you can, own something and it's yours. That, no matter what happens, I have, I get rid of these discs. I have access to watch episodes whenever I want. That's not saying anything bad about people with streaming. Streaming is great. It's really convenient, and you have access to so many shows in so many different ways. But I still very much, as you guys could tell from what's behind the box sets right now, or the Office box sets, you can see with the anime stuff. And if you guys have seen my collection of anything else, I very much still like collecting and having physical media because it's always going to be mine. You can't take it away from me. I can't lose it just because I didn't pay a monthly subscription fee this month, or I can't lose it just because it's like, oh, you guys just had to pull it from the shelf, from the service or whatever, or licensing agreements, so on and so forth. So yeah, there'll be more stuff like this that I'll do probably as I continue to create some more content for the channel. There's another one coming out here soon about James Bond, or maybe that one will come out before this, so who knows. And yeah, again, like I said, you kind of see the writing on the wall with some things. As the shoe review stuff is going to slow down for me, I'm going to pick up with other things because I do enjoy talking with people here online and creating content, just having discussions with people about things that we like and enjoy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this look at the unboxing of The Office, the complete series on Blu-ray, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, peace.